In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete travel history in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps and make sure you're signed in. Your travel history is tied to your Google account, so double check that you're using the account you actually used while traveling. If you're unsure, look at the profile picture or initial at the top of the screen to confirm the account. Next, open the main menu in the top left corner. This is the button that looks like three horizontal lines. On some devices, you might see your profile picture there instead. Either way, open the menu to get to your account options. From the menu, choose Maps History. This takes you to the activity page that lists places you've searched, routes you've taken, and visits detected by your device. It's a good idea to skim the page for a moment so you understand what's about to be removed. Deleting history helps with privacy, but it can also affect personalized recommendations and commute predictions. Now click Delete. You'll usually see this near the top of the page. Google will present a few choices so you can control how much history to remove. Take a moment here because deletions can't be undone. Choose up to where you'd like to delete. You'll typically see options like the last hour, the last day, all time, or a custom range. Pick the time frame that fits your needs. If you only want to clear a recent trip, a custom range is a precise way to target those dates without losing everything. If you're doing a full reset, all time will wipe the slate clean. Before you proceed, consider whether you'll need any of this information for expense reports or memories, because once it's gone, it's gone. Finally, click Delete to confirm. You may see a pop-up asking you to confirm your choice, and you might need to wait a moment while the system clears the data. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation message and your Maps history page will reflect the changes. If something still appears, refresh the page and check that you were signed in to the correct account. That's it. You've removed your travel history in Google Maps safely and on your terms. If you found this helpful, keep these steps handy the next time you want to tidy up your location footprint. Thanks for watching, and remember to review your settings periodically so you stay in control of your data and privacy.